and welcome to the ReGenX EV regenerative acceleration video. The regenerative acceleration generator EV motor innovation is a salient pole motor generator coil, which operates in an EV as an electric motor, and it has a unique component once the electric vehicle is up to cruising speed, in that once the ReGenX motor once the EV is up to speed, the ReGenX motor coil can be converted to a ReGenX generator coil and provide electric vehicle regenerative acceleration. Electric vehicle regenerative acceleration is when the ReGenX generator is recharging the EV's batteries and not decelerating the electric vehicle. In fact, the ReGenX EV regenerative acceleration generator accelerates the EV when it's recharging the batteries. So what I'm going to do in this short video is I'm going to take the system up to cruising speed, and what I want to demonstrate is that the more recharge current that we send to the electric vehicle's batteries, the more acceleration of the vehicle we provide. So I'm just going to move the camera into position here. So we have a tachometer on the left-hand side, and then we have a current meter, which I'm going to turn on in a sec. And what I'm going to do is bring the electric vehicle up to speed, and we're going to use cruise control on the EV. And then once we get to cruising speed, we're going to engage the ReGenX generator. And what you're going to see is the tachometer on the left-hand side is going to increase, and the current meter that is right here, the more current that we send to the EV's batteries, the more regenerative acceleration we will provide. And we're using 3 generator coils, and they will be switched here with these switches. Okay, so I'll take it up to speed. Traveling at 27 kilometers an hour right now. The RPM of the ReGenX motor is 3,542 RPM. And now I'm going to engage the ReGenX coils. There's 1.9 amps. 3.66 amps, and 5.54 amps. we send to the EV's battery, the more acceleration of the vehicle we provide. So I'll put it back into motor mode. .46 RPM on the ReGenX motor right now. And 75 RPM in regenerative acceleration mode with 5.54 amps going to the EV's batteries in regenerative acceleration. So again, a little closer look at the ReGenX motor. The ReGenX motor is it is a salient pole motor with the rotor that passes in between the two legs of the C-core. And this system is set up for 12 coils. Each coil is delivering almost 2 amps right now. The 2 amps of regenerative acceleration, and the coils are designed to deliver 5 amps each with 12 coils. Well, we're looking at over 70 amps. So there you have it. The ReGenX generator is the plan right now is to integrate the ReGenX motor into the hub motor for electric vehicles, for electric motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, cars, and eventually for trucks. So that's the introduction to the technology, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Cheers.